First, the food enters the oral cavity where mechanical and chemical digestion first start to occur. Salivary glands sense the presence of food and send salivary amylase, which hydrolyzes starch and helps break down the starch into smaller polysaccharides. The now chewed up food is called bolus and is sent through the pharynx into the esophagus. The movement of this bolus is called peristalsis, which is involuntary contraction of the smooth muscles. Once the bolus reaches the stomach secretes gastric juice, which is mixed along with hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid has a very low pH and is released by the parietal cells to help denature and break down the bolus. Pepsin, another enzyme that helps break down proteins, is activated by hydrochloric acid in the gastric juice. Pepsinogen is the inactive form of pepsin, and once hydrochloric acid acts with pepsinogen, it makes pepsin. As the bolus is churned, chyme is produced and is sent through the pyloric sphincter into the small intestine, where it enters through the duodenum and mixes with bile from the liver and other juices from the pancreas. In the small intestine, most of the digestion occurs, and digestion of proteins using trypsin and chymotrypsin help break the peptide bonds of proteins. But chymotrypsin and trypsin are inactive until triggered by a hormone called enteropeptidase. Also, nucleases hydrolyze DNA to RNA, and lipase helps hydrolyze the fat molecules with the help of emulsification. Emulsification helps keep the fat molecules from fusing together. Then the villi is the main absorption net. It helps increase surface area and increases the rate of absorption in the small intestine. Since there is a very high pH of the chyme, bicarbonate is signaled to the small intestine. Bicarbonate is made in the pancreas and helps make the chyme less acidic and makes the pH higher. The less acidic chyme now goes to the large intestine, where it is already feces. The rest of the water is absorbed, and the feces now makes its way to the rectum, where it is stored until it can be released through the anus.